Today, guys, we're going to, how do you pronounce it?
Archery.
Archery.
Yeah.
That's the vibe for today. Wonder which lighting better. That side better? Yes. Archery type of vibe. Yeah, let me see. Which way better? That way better? May I try to find a good lighting. Oh crap. Almost never remember say my need for that. Alright. Yo, what day I fix? Well, I think yesterday I fixed the AC in my car. I'm like, it's crazy to drive in Kingston without AC. I don't know how people do it, but it's crazy, bro. Like, I'm just glad I sorted it out. So ready? So now for just sponsor and all that, right?
You have USB?
What kind of USB?
iPhone.
Yeah, I have two. Or luckily, I have an additional one.
I shifted, that's my excuse now.
Any side?
Huh? On your right side. Alright, so welcome to Archery. So first thing, the rules, we have ceasefire and we have live range. Now doing a ceasefire, there is no shooting at all and we're able to go and collect our arrows. So usually when somebody calls ceasefire, somebody else has to echo it so that we know that everybody heard. And so no arrows should be on your bow, nothing at all when there is a ceasefire. Now when everybody comes back and they're behind the shooting line, then we call live range. So that's to say that it's now safe to start shooting. There should be nobody out on the field at all during a live range. And the same thing, somebody has to echo it so that we know that everybody hears. Other safety rules. If you're shooting and for whatever reason your arrow falls in front, do not bend down and pick it up. Leave it alone and let the person beside you know before moving to pick it up. Because you do not want to just lean so in front of somebody while they're pointing a weapon, okay? Next thing, when you're coming back with the arrows, when you go and you pick them up, always keep the tip in your palm when you're walking with them. They don't seem sharp, but they can really go through you pretty easily. Alright? Okay, so that's the basics. Now we're going to go over the form. So you just stand completely to the side like this. Left leg in front, right leg behind. Left leg in front for the shooting line. This line right here, that runs across to the shooting line. Now we have one foot in front, one foot behind, and then legs are going to be parallel to the line. So always make sure your legs are parallel to the line. Good. Begin to hold the bow in your left hand just like this, in front of your body. So from here, you can put 3 fingers, your index, middle, and ring, under the arrow. And then you're just going to raise up, pull all the way back to your cheek, just like this. And then you're just going to release the string. So next thing, never pull back the string without an arrow and release it, because if the arrow that absorbs the energy from the string. So if the arrow is not there, the limbs will absorb the energy and it can crack the limbs or break it. Alright, it's called a dry fire. So never pull all the way back and then just release without an arrow being there. Alright? Knuckle underneath this little tab right there. So that is your little marker. Okay. Stance. So this is our default position.
The target fell at 30.
Yeah, hurry up, you probably bend the arrows.
Lord, run.
Take a look by the arrow. Take a look by the arrow.
Oh shit. You just got a lot of belly in that picture.
Pull back to your cheek. Okay, we're fine. Pull up. Pull up. Yep. Right. Pull up. Yep. No, fire. Just release the string. Let's go again.
So I just picked up some of my arrows. I'm really not good at these things, but I'm gonna try again. I must hit the center. Must. First time doing this type of thing. Only time I see something up on like YouTube or at the Olympics, but today was amazing, I must say.